the new luxury standard. Performance and efficiency in hybrid SUVs. For decades, luxury SUVs meant compromise. Buyers accepted high costs for fuel, maintenance, and overall ownership in exchange for premium features. That era is ending. Today's luxury consumer demands both performance and value, a shift that has sparked the rise of hybrid SUVs that deliver on both fronts. These vehicles are no longer about simply saving fuel. They're about redefining what luxury means in the modern automotive landscape. The evolving luxury buyer. The modern luxury SUV buyer isn't just looking for a badge. They want a holistic ownership experience that balances performance, comfort, technology, and cost-effectiveness. Rising fuel prices and sustainability concerns have made excessive consumption unacceptable, even in the premium segment. Buyers still expect rapid acceleration and effortless driving, but now they expect it without punishing their wallets. Long-term ownership costs, maintenance, depreciation, repairs are under intense scrutiny. Traditional luxury vehicles often become expensive to own after the warranty expires, deterring buyers who plan to keep their vehicles for extended periods. This is where hybrid technology emerges as a game changer. Hybrid technology. The new benchmark hybrid systems combine electric motors with internal combustion engines, delivering instant torque, smoother power, and improved fuel efficiency without sacrificing the driving experience. Crucially, they reduce strain on mechanical components, potentially lowering maintenance costs over time. This means luxury SUVs can now be fast, refined, efficient, and financially sensible. The Acura MDX Sport Hybrid exemplifies this shift. It quietly delivers sports sedan pace while keeping ownership costs manageable, proving that performance and practicality are no longer mutually exclusive. The 2020 Acura MDX Sport Hybrid. A case study in value. The 2020 MDX Sport Hybrid combines a 3-liter V6 engine with a sophisticated 3-motor hybrid system producing 321 horsepower. But its true strength lies in how it delivers that power. The dual electric motors at the rear axle provide torque vectoring, enhancing agility and cornering dynamics beyond what its size suggests. Acceleration is immediate, thanks to instant torque from the electric motors. Despite this performance, the MDX Sport Hybrid remains impressively efficient, outperforming comparable V6-powered luxury SUVs. Perhaps most importantly, the hybrid system reduces wear on key components like brakes through regenerative braking and minimizes engine strain during low-speed operation. This translates to lower maintenance costs over time, making it a rare example of a performance-oriented luxury SUV that doesn't financially burden its owner. Data-driven ownership. CarEdge confirms the value. Data from CarEdge shows the MDX Sport Hybrid consistently undercuts European rivals in 5- and 10-year ownership costs. Acura's reputation for reliability, rooted in Honda's engineering philosophy, means fewer unexpected repair bills and a more predictable cost of ownership. CarEdge estimates annual maintenance costs at $677 for the first 5 years, significantly lower than segment averages. Depreciation is also favorable, as the MDX's strong reliability attracts buyers seeking affordable ownership in the used market. Insurance costs also tend to be lower due to Acura's safety ratings. The long-term benefits of hybrid technology. Hybrid technology isn't just about fuel savings. It fundamentally alters how a vehicle operates and ages. Fuel efficiency is immediate electric power during low-speed driving and stop-and-go traffic dramatically reduces consumption. But the impact on maintenance is equally important. Regenerative braking extends the lifespan of brake pads and rotors, while electric motor assistance reduces engine strain. Simplified transmissions, or the absence of traditional ones, further reduce maintenance complexity. Smoother operation minimizes stress on drivetrain components, enhancing long-term durability. The future of luxury. Electrification as standard. The shift toward electrified luxury SUVs is accelerating. Buyers recognize that hybrids offer a compelling middle ground between combustion and full electrification, providing efficiency and performance without the limitations of charging infrastructure or range anxiety. Vehicles like the MDX Sport Hybrid deliver the performance enthusiasts demand while maintaining practicality and cost efficiency. They prove that luxury no longer requires compromise. You can have speed, efficiency, comfort, reliability, and value all in one package. In a segment historically defined by trade-offs, this is a revolutionary proposition.